Hi and again, good afternoon. And that was then the first look of our film, Brothers. We have to say that this has been a tremendous experience for everyone connected with it. And I'd like to thank all our partners actually for making this responsible. As you know, Brothers is an official adaptation of the Hollywood cult film Warrior. So I'd like to thank Endemol India for partnering with us on this, along with the support that Lionsgate gave us through the proceedings. It was, as you know, a cult film and has acquired a lot of viral love apart from all the love it got at the box office window when it did release a couple of years ago. More than anything else, I think partnering with a Hollywood studio is always an exceptionally exciting process, and we're very glad to have partnered with Lionsgate and Endemol. This film would not have been possible if it wasn't for the relentless, the emotional, and I would say the invested hard work of the filmmaker Karan Malhotra. I'm very proud to have partnered with him on his very first endeavor, which was a remake of my father's most wished film to have been remade, Agnipath. He lived up to its expectation and gave it the hit tag that I so wanted on it. So it was like literally a son avenging his father's revenge from the box office, which happened thanks to Karan Malhotra. So I have to thank him and his wife, who've been a tremendous support. His wife has also written the adapted screenplay of Brothers and is hugely responsible for what you have seen just now. Before I move any further and speak about the cast, I would actually like to invite the man of the moment, really the reason why we're all here at PVR, Mr. Ajay Bijli, who is here with his brother Sanjeev Bijli, so to really celebrate the spirit of brotherdom. Also, 14th of August, the day of release for Brothers, will also be Brothers Day at all the PVR cinemas and outlets across the country. So I'd like Ajay to come and just tell you in a few words about exactly what that association is. And I'm not only a dear friend, but also a true visionary, Ajay Bijli.
Thanks, Karan, so much. First of all, absolutely overwhelmed by the trailer. Absolutely amazing. And so my brother Sanjeev and I are also here, but we're not going to break into a mixed martial arts session just now. Just like to say that it's incredible to be associated, and the promotions and the contests, everything that's needed to take this movie to another level. We'll be very happy to be doing that. All the best to the film and to all the cast and everybody. Akshay, Siddharth, Mr. Shroff, everyone.